Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet heart keychain, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use Elise BBC cream yarn and hook number 3mm as shown now. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a magic ring. Then make 8 single crochet stitches and close with slip stitch. Then start round 2. I will make a chain and make single crochet increase into next 8 stitches, then close with slip stitch to make 16 single crochet stitches at the end of that round. Then I will start round 3. I will make a chain and make single crochet into the first stitch, then make single crochet increase and repeat the group 8 times, then close with slip stitch to have 24 single crochet stitches at the end of the round. From round 4 to round 7, I will make a chain and make single crochet into every stitch across the row, then close with slip stitch to have 24 single crochet stitches at the end of the round. I make another white unit with the same sequence as shown now. Then I will start round 8. I will join 2 units together and make single crochet into next 24 single crochet stitches as shown now into the red unit, then continue making single crochet into every stitch of next 24 single crochet stitches into the white unit to have 48 single crochet stitches at the end of that round for 2 units as shown now. Then I will start round 9. I will make single crochet into next 2 stitches as shown now into the red unit. Then make single crochet decrease as shown now, and make single crochet into next 16 single crochet stitches as shown now. Now I finished 16 single crochet stitches. Then I will make single crochet decrease here, and make single crochet into next 2 stitches, and repeat the same sequence into the white unit as shown now to have 44 single crochet stitches at the end of that round for the 2 units as shown now. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will start round 10. I will make single crochet into next 2 stitches as shown now. Then make single crochet decrease and make single crochet into next 14 stitches as shown now. Now I will make single crochet decrease and make single crochet into next 2 stitches and repeat the same sequence for the white unit to have 40 single crochet stitches at the end of that round. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I will make from round 11 to round 17, add the pattern into the subtitle as shown now. Now I finished 17 rounds with the shape. Then I will fill the 2 units with the stuffed material as shown now. Then I will make round 18 and round 19 as the pattern into the subtitle. Now I finished 19 rounds as shown now. Then I will pull the yarn and cut the yarn and fasten off as shown now. And join the tapestry needle. Then fasten off our work. Then join the key chain as shown now. Then join the plastic eyes. Then I will make the hands. I will make 13 chains as shown now. Then turn and make slip stitch as shown now. Then make 2 chains and turn again. Then make slip stitch into first chain of 2 and repeat that next time. 2 chains and turn. Then make slip stitch into the first chain of 2. Then make slip stitch into every stitch across the row as shown now. Then leave a long tail, then cut our yarn as shown now. Then I will make the hat. I will follow the pattern as shown now into the subtitle. Then leave a long tail and cut the yarn. Then fill the hat with stuffed material. Then join the hat with the heart by the tapestry needle as shown now. Then make the bow. I will make 4 chains as shown now. Then turn and make 3 triple crochet stitches into the first chain. and make 3 chains, then make slip stitch into the first chain and make another 3 chains and make 3 triple crochet stitches into the same stitch as shown now. And make 3 chains again, then slip stitch into the same first chain, then a leave long tail, then cut our yarn and wrap the tail around the middle of the bow as shown now. And use the tapestry needle to sew it with the heart. Now I finished a crochet heart keychain and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.